Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add job and education in your Bumble profile. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Initially, what we need to do is simply hover over our profile. At the top left, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. It's on the top left. Just click on it and then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Well, as you can see, there are multiple options available. You can activate Spotlight, upgrade to Bumble Boost or Premium. It's up to you. But right now, we're only gonna focus on the Edit Profile section. Well, right here you can see something like my profile prompts, About Me, and finally, my work and education. Click on this tab right here. Then something like this will open up. Here's your job and your education. Simply enter the job and education that you have. I'm gonna enter both of them. Initially, I'm going to click on this plus icon right here in this Add a Job section. Now it's asking me to enter my job designation along with my company. I'm just going to enter it. And once everything's okay, simply hit on save. Likewise, I'm going to do for the education as well. Once everything's okay, simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. Do note that you can add further education and further jobs. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's about it. That's how we add work and education in your Bumble profile. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.